Hello? Chibuz Afana. Na Peter dey talk. That game wey say my play now, wey say na short game.
This man!
Wey say my is that my 50,000, what take I pay my house. I don't play am now, you say I go win 2 million. But now the last game now you remain so. And now you take them anybody to win, but now 0-0 they play now.
Yeah!
The ticket don't cut as they play 0-0. So, but you plan now. You see? Okay. You no plan.
Not be juju be that.
So, people so you tell me say na short game. Man use my 50,000 I go take pay for accident plan. You never say me use 500 plan.
What?
Okay, you reach there, but you see I say no be short game. Yeah.
Sapuru Jehovah mbenile otuto ya gadi n'ọnụ